Hello and welcome to Story Time. Good evening, mommies and daddies, and welcome little ones. I hope that you had a wonderful day and now you are ready to have some English story time with me. I am Barbie and I'm here to read a lovely English story for you tonight. I really hope that you have enjoyed our first story time live together last week. Don't forget that if you've missed the first story time live, you can always go back and search at the videos of Rhyme Time Facebook page. Thank you for the hearts. Please send me more hearts and slowly start to type your baby's name if he or she is watching, so I could say hello to them one by one before I start reading tonight's story, okay? So I will wait for a few comments, and until then I will sing a song. Let's go and have story time, story time, story time. Let's go and have story time. Choose a book to read. Oh, hello Emma. It's nice to see you. Oh, and Glenda is watching. Good evening, Glenda. Are you ready to have story time with me? Kinga is here as well. Hello Kinga and hello Alina. Alina, it's good to see you. I see your lovely face in front of me and I can see that Abel and Aaron are watching. Hello Abel, hello Aaron, good evening. I can see now that Boggy is also here and Lele. Hello girls, hello Boggy and Lele. I hope you are feeling better tonight. Now I also see that Aaron is here and Hannah baby is also watching. Hello Aaron, hello Hannah, let's go and have story time, okay? Sonia and Fanny are also watching. Wow, thank you for being here. Hello Sonia, how was your day at preschool? I hope you had a good time. And hello Fanny, good evening. Oh, and now I see that Zelma is also here. Good evening, Zelma. I'm happy to have you here. Oh, and two more boys. Oh, and even more. Yotso and Adam. Hello, Yotso. Hello, Adam. Thank you for joining. Let's go and have story time, okay? And Lea Rosie is also watching, just like last week. Hello, Lea. Good evening. Are you ready to have some story time with me? All right. So now I will switch the camera and I will show you our lovely book for tonight. Last week we read about the market day and you really liked the first story, so I wanted to choose something similar. So now we want to have a story from the first experiences series, okay? So I will switch the camera. And here we are. Do you see the topic? Do you see the title? Send me lots of hearts, mommies, if you can see the text correctly, okay? The new puppy. Do you know who is a puppy? A puppy is a baby dog. So this little boy will get a baby dog, a puppy, in this story. Let's get started. The new puppy from the first experiences series. Okay, you can see that this is a very small book now as well. Oh, and look, here we have the story started. This is Appleby family. Ollie and Amber are very excited. Today they are going to get their new puppy. This is Amber. The little girl is called Amber. And this is Ollie, the little boy. Dad drives them to Hazel Hill's house. 8 weeks ago, Hazel Hill's dog, Gemma, had 6 tiny puppies, and Ollie gives Gemma a pat. Ollie gives Gemma a pat. Ollie and Amber go inside to see the puppies. They are playing in the kitchen. Gemma looks protectively at her pups. "Which one should we choose?" says Ollie. "Oh, they are all sweet," says Amber. The smallest puppy runs up to Ollie and Amber. "I like this one best," says Ollie. Me too," agrees Amber. They are ready to go home. Ollie carries the puppy to the car. "She's so little," says Amber. "Let's call her Shrimp." Shrimp meets Felix. Felix is the cat. When they get home, Ollie shows Shrimp her new bed. But Shrimp is more interested in Felix, the cat. They feed Shrimp. "I think Shrimp is hungry," Ollie says to Amber. "Let's give her something to eat." Ollie and Amber give Shrimp a bowl of water and some special puppy food, but Shrimp is much too excited to eat. They take Shrimp outside. Shrimp isn't allowed to go far until she has her injections. Ollie and Amber play with her. Felix hides in the tree. After supper, they put Shrimp to bed. "Please, can I sleep with her?" Amber asks her mother. "No, you have your own bed, Amber," Mrs. Appleby says. It's time for bed. Mr. Appleby carries Amber upstairs. "Come on, sleepyhead," he says. "Good night. Sleep tight, Shrimp," says Ollie. The next day, Ollie and Amber get up early. They want to see their new puppy right away. "Oh no," cries Amber. "What a mess. There is a big puddle on the floor." Mrs. Appleby shows it to Shrimp. "Naughty girl," she says softly. Mr. Appleby gets something to clean it up. Later, the Applebys take Shrimp to the vet. Shrimp is very excited when she sees all the other animals. She wants to play with them. The vet gives Shrimp an injection. "This won't hurt her," the vet says. "It's just so that she will not catch any illnesses." Amber and Ollie put Shrimp on a leash. They take her out for a walk. "I love our new puppy," says Amber. Me too, beams Ollie. This was the new puppy from the series of first experiences. And let me just show you what other titles this series has. We could read about going to the hospital, going to the dentist, going to a party, going to the doctor, going on a plane, going to school, moving house, and the new baby. Now this book is actually included in a big book. Look. Oh, now I see that Anna and Theophil are also watching. I will say hello to them right when I switch back my camera. So the complete book of first experiences includes all these titles. Send a heart if you would love to read all these stories. Okay, and actually in this book there is a little yellow duck hiding on every double page. So as we read the book, we can always find a yellow ducky. See? On every single page, we can find a ducky. So this book is very good for little ones to read because the text is very simple and all the situations can occur to your family. So here comes the new puppy. Did you like this story? I will switch back the camera now. Hello. So, Anna, hello. Thanks for watching. And Theo, hello Theo. Did you like the story? I thought of 2 more songs, okay? Oh, but I see that Bianca and Bogi are here too. Hello, Bianca. Hello, Bogi. Thank you for watching. Did you like the story? Because, oh, Benedek is also here. I'm very happy, Benedek, to have you here. Thank you for watching. And Zsigmond, okay, it's nice to have you, Zsigmond. Good evening. Did you like story time? I want to sing a song to you about a dog. It's a very, very easy song. Oh, okay, Agnes is also here. Hello, good evening. It's nice to have you. So, this song is very easy and actually you can sing it with all pets. What are pets? Pets are the animals who live inside with you in the house. So, for example, a dog is a pet, but a cat is a pet as well. A parrot can be a pet, a turtle can be a pet. And in this book, we had a dog, a puppy, called Shrimp, and Felix the cat. So I can sing you 2 verses. The song goes like this. I have a pet, he is a cat, and he says meow, 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 meow. Or if you have a dog, I have a pet, she is a dog, and she says woof, 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 woof. Or if you have a bird at home, you can sing like this. I have a pet, she is a bird, and she says chirp, 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 chirp. Okay, Alina is dancing for the song. Okay, good job, Alina. I like it that you like moving to the story time and to the songs. But now it's time to say good night. And in the song, in the book, we had a very good expression. I just want to find it. When the little ones got tired, do you remember when they went to sleep? Yes, here it is. Ollie said to Shrimp, good night, sleep tight, Shrimp, said Oli. So now I want to sing one more song for you, which is a lullaby, a song that can put you to sleep, okay? So mommies, learn it and use it tonight. It goes like this. Good night to you, good night to me. Now close your eyes and go to sleep. Good night, sleep tight, sweet dreams tonight. Good night, I love you. Let's sing it together, okay? One more time. Good night to you, good night to me. Now close your eyes and go to sleep. Good night, sleep tight, sweet dreams tonight. Good night, I love you. Good night, mummies. Good night, babies. Thanks for watching and see you next week. And if you love the story, you can go to Rhyme Time web shop and you can find the complete book of first experiences there, okay? See you next week. Good night and sleep tight. Bye-bye.